What's up? What's up? So you guys saw the title of the video. You guys obviously know what this is. This is an unboxing. I have like 15 packages here. And to be honest, I'm not exactly sure which ones are which. So this will be just as exciting for me as it is for you. And let's get into it. Alright, so normally at the beginning of a video, I always ask you guys to like and subscribe, but this time I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I'm going to do that later, but I'm going to try something new. I'm going to set a like goal, so let's try to get this video to 10 likes, but let's get these packages opening. I can't wait, guys. And today we're just using scissors, no special knife or anything. Alright, first package up. This comes from the shipping department. Ah yes, that's my favorite department. Okay, this one's a $3.50 box. There we go. Ooh, fresh. All right, these are crazy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so these are the Yeezy Cinders that just released. Honestly, I like these more than. I like these more than the triple blacks. Yeah, these are for my girlfriend. I bought her Yeezys. I bought her Yeezys for Valentine's Day, and they ended up being too small, and so I decided to get her those instead, and I'm going to sell her Yeezys. Second box up, this comes from Foot Locker. This could be two things, but they're both the same shoe, just different colors. And by the way, most of these are going to be up on my Instagram, 507 Resells. But some of these are going to be personals, but I'll let you guys know. So obviously the Yeezys were personals. Okay, so these, if you guys know anything, that's a Jordan 1 box. Oh, I got a coupon box, or a coupon thing. That's not bad. Alright, I'll keep that. Okay, Jordan 1 box. Oh, man. These are massive. These must be the size 12s. Okay, so these are not my personals. These I'm gonna resell. But these are crazy. Holy cow. These are low-key, like, they're okay quality. They're not like insane. My crimson tints are better quality, I think, but these are nice. Dang, this is my first time seeing any of the Court Purples in hand. And I have been waiting for these since January. But I have my personals coming up sometime soon, so. Alright. This one is from shipping department. I think the shipping department, when it says shipping department, that's probably from Goat, because that's where I bought the cinders there, and those were from the shipping department. That's what it says. Okay, these are Yeezy 350s. There you go. Oh shoot, these are clean. Holy cow. I bet these are the size 9.5s. Okay, these are Sesames that I bought to resell. These are actually used, but like, look at that bottom. Like, holy cow. These might have been used once. Honestly, these might have been able to pass. If they sold them as new, they might have made it through Goat, and they might have not sent them back. Yeah, these are the 9.5s. Okay, so these are listed on my Instagram. They're listed as VNDS, which means very near dead stock, because like, okay, if I bought new Yeezys and they came like this, I would not notice. So that's why I listed them as VNDS. But yeah, it's basically that. This package, I'm not exactly sure what this is. This might be from Supreme. It says it comes from Shop, but you know. Oh, I think these come from Supreme. Holy cow. Guys, look at this. That's 8 Supreme ponchos. I thought that the packaging would be bigger because I thought that the ponchos would be bigger, but that's pretty small. And a couple box logo stickers, so might be selling those, might be putting them somewhere. I think I have a few of those coming, so yeah. Basically, for those of you who don't know, every order from Supreme, almost every order, sometimes you get unlucky, but almost every order comes with 2 box logo stickers, and then every once in a while you get a random like special sticker, especially if it's like a collab. This one's from shipping department again. It's probably from Goat. Yeah, I see the. Well, I see. All right, that's upside down. All right. Alright, similar thing. These are a little bit more dirty. I don't know if I would say this was like a steal, but they're pretty good condition, and I got them for way under retail price. I got them way under the normal resale price, and I plan to clean them up a little bit, but these are size 11, they're going to be on my Instagram page. There's like almost no chance that I'm keeping them, and they have like a really black mark. That's kind of annoying, but I bet Crep Protect will be able to get that up. Oh, and I have a couple buyers that are interested in these already, so I bet they'll go quick once I clean them up. But yeah, these are a lot more dirty than they looked like when I bought them, but at least the uppers are, but you know, it's whatever. I'm curious what this package is from Foot Locker. Holy cow, this is a massive box. Like, look at that. What the heck, Foot Locker? Okay, you have this massive box for this tiny shoe box. Not really sure what that's about, but yep, Jordan 1 box. Oh man, okay. Royal Toe Jordan 1s. Dang, these are fresh. Okay, honestly, I'm gonna admit it, I was not a fan of these at first. I was like, why are these hyped up? I'm still not that much of a fan. They're like nice though, but I would keep these if they were like under retail, but I'm gonna be able to resell them for like 60, 70 at least dollars profit. Actually, probably more than that. They're kind of selling for like 250 and up, and they're retailed at 170. So, all right, I need to get some of this out of the way. This comes from shipping department as well. Oh, by the way, before I open this, I forgot to say about these. These were kind of funny because so I didn't know that my girlfriend would want them until after the release. So I could have gone for them in her size, but I did not. And then she said that she really liked that color. So I bought these on Goat, but I offered for $10 under what they were going for, which was already low because it was right after the release, like when everybody had their pairs in hand and trying to get rid of them. And so so I offered $10 under that, and I got them, and now they're going for like, yeah, $60 more than that at least in that size. So I could I should have gotten another pair, not for her, and just resold it. But all right, I want to guess what these are. I think these are gonna be the creams. Oh no, it isn't. That tricked me. It looked like it was. Man, that's kind of weird. Other than those cinders, the only Yeezys that I've unboxed yet are Sesames. These are quite clean. They're not quite. Probably wouldn't say that these are VNDS. I'd say these are like 9.5 at least out of 10. There's like no drag or anything. And these ones, yours are probably like, why do you already have an open box? I have not seen these. These were opened by a family member of mine. So I was tempted to look inside, but I do not know what this is. Oh, these are the creams. So I don't know who opened this, but someone opened the outside package. These will also be for sale on my Instagram page. It won't be a bad price on those. You can't tell that these are worn. Actually, there's like a tiny bit of black that you might be able to see, but these still have the tag on them. So these have literally been like tried on, that's all. And there's just the tiniest red mark there, but I'll see if I can get that out with shoe cleaner. And I'll probably put them for like $250 or something. No guarantees. It might be more, depending on how interested people are. So yeah, just for them to be tried on. That's not bad. Okay, this is from Rebound Digital. Oh, duh, it has the Just Do It tape on it, so that's an obvious giveaway. Okay, this comes from Nike. This comes directly from Nike from the Sneakers app. Got a Sneakers W. Got a Sneakers W, you already know. You already know. These are my size, and these are my personals. What's that, though? What? There's like a little bit of like orange stuff. Oh, it kind of rubs off. But, yo, these actually aren't bad quality. When I feel the leather on the toe box, that's not bad quality. I don't think that's going to crease that badly. That's kind of nice. I'm not really upset that there's just the tiniest bit of like markings from something there. You guys can't even see it because I'm going to wear them, so I'm not going to resell them. Man, these are so dope. I'll probably do a review of those. I'm so excited to wear these. Alright, next up we have a smaller package once again. Alright, look at that packaging. Okay. We got the Supreme Oreos. And it sounds like they're still intact. Alright. I'm going to be doing a video eating those and seeing what I think of them. But these I got from a reseller. Alright, this box is from East Bay. Okay, obviously I opened this box upside down, but okay, these are Jordan 1s, I knew that much. Alright, another pair of court purples. These are a size 10.5, but I already have a seller lined up for these. Oh, that's where that's from. I'm bleeding. I don't know if I cut myself with... Okay, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, that's really awkward. I'm not sure when I started bleeding, but I had like a massive paper cut. Alright, so, yep, so I have a seller lined up for these. He's a local. I threw him a steal. We made an early deal, so I guess at the time it wasn't really a steal, but right now it's under payout. So, yeah. There we go. Alright, next up, we have this package here. This comes from KY Shipping Department. Alright. Okay, I'm not going to take them out, but it's a freaking massive stack of business cards that I ordered. Let's see how they look. Yo, these came out fire. Has my logo. Just about everything you can ask for. Next up is this 350 box. I also did not open this. A family member of mine did, who shall remain unnamed. Alright, we got the Dead Stock Cinders, size 10.5. Slim chance, there's a slim chance I'll be keeping these for personal. I'm not sure that I will, but there's a slim chance. So we'll see what I do about that. But these are fire. Alright, we got 2 packages left of the lot from here. Okay, so this one is from, why is this, this is like low-key kind of wet. Whatever. But this is from Foot Locker. And it is, I have a feeling, alright, so I have bad aim, so I accidentally knocked over the camera, but these, Jordan 1s obviously, okay, yep. Another pair of Royal Toes. These are, I didn't check what the last one's size were. These are size 10, so the other ones were 10.5. These all kind of smell like gasoline. I don't know if that's like the new shoe smell that everybody's talking about. I never smell my shoes, even though it seems like the kind of thing that I would do. But I don't know about that. Everybody's getting high on those fumes, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, last box here for now, I believe. I could be missing one, but I think these are all. Is from the shipping department. I forgot about these until now, actually. Alright. You know the vibes. Ooh. Ooh. So clean. Okay, I got these off of GOAT. I got these for a dummy steal. Very, very slightly used. This is my first time buying a used pair of shoes for myself. Actually, I'm gonna throw these on feet right now. That's what they look like on feet, so you guys can see. I'll probably clean them up a bit. They're a little bit scuffed at points. Yeah, I think now that I have them on feet, I'm like, they're pretty dope. I'm not 100% sure that I'll keep them, but I do like them. I probably will keep them. Sizing, some people said go up half a size. Honestly, I would only go up half a size. Well, okay, you can feel free to go up half a size, basically. Basically, These, I have like maybe about like a little under a centimeter between my toe and the front. So it's just a little bit, they're a little bit long but skinny. So I think probably best is up half a size, but you can get them definitely your true to size and they'll fit fine, I believe. Look at this aftermath, guys. All right, we got all this. Look at that, all those shoes, all those boxes. This is crazy. So that is my whole video for now. That is almost all of those shoes up there will be on my Instagram page at 507 Resells once again. Make sure to hit me up. Even if you don't want to buy them for the full price, like at least offer if you're interested, because you never know what I'll take, and then it encourages people to offer up. I think that's like 13 shoes or something that are going to be on my site, maybe more like 11 or 12, but not my site, my reselling page. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's once again hit 10 likes. That's what we're going for. To hope a wonderful day for all of you. And with that said, we out.